Okay, we're about to tackle the first S of 5S+1, and that's the sort phase. So what we want to do is go through the work environment where you're implementing the 5S, and we want to sort everything. We're going to look at 100% of the items that are there, and we're trying to remove clutter. In our lives, we tend to grow clutter. And if you have an environment with lots of things there, the message is it's okay to put stuff here. And the law of clutter grows. Once you have a few items, they will multiply and you'll get more and more and more items. So we're trying to remove that. So we want to remove all items that don't belong. So for the sort phase, you've got one or two approaches that you can use based on your environment. You want to set up a red area, a yellow area, and a green area. And again, I've seen this done different ways. If you don't want to set up actual areas, you can use tags. I've seen people use stickers, a red sticker, a green sticker, and a yellow sticker. So for the red tag, sticker, or area, these are the items that you want to take out of the work environment. Now, again, I say the work environment, this is where people do their work. This is known as their value zone. So if I'm a cook in a restaurant, this is around where I maybe do my grilling, my prep table, wherever. In a manufacturing environment, it might be where my equipment is, but the value field is where I do the work. And we want to be very picky on what stays in the value field. For every item can hide an item that we need. So we want to remove clutter. So in the red area, or put a red sticker on all the things that we decide need to go. Doesn't mean you're going to throw them out. It means they don't go in this value field. The yellow area are for the things we're not sure about. Maybe some people use them, some people don't. So you've got to get some discussion going. The green area are the things that are used daily or weekly, and we know they need to stay. The employees need these to really meet customer need. So those are very important items. Okay, for some of the manufacturing sites that I've helped implement this, that red area, again, we would put this in an area where the rest of the people in the factory or the environment can look at it, and maybe there's something in there they can use. Just because we're removing it from our area doesn't mean the stuff doesn't have value. It just doesn't have value for us here. So remember, don't just throw things away, they have value. Matter of fact, one of the things we did with one of our larger sites is we would move it to a Muda pile where we'd let people look at it from other departments. And for the stuff that nobody wanted after leaving it here for a week or two, we sold it. And it paid for a paint and things that we use to continue our 5S implementation. So okay, that's first sort phase. Again, look at the area, the room, the department. Hopefully you've chunked it down. And you're going to sort through. You want three categories. Again, red, yellow, green. Red are the things that are going, yellow are the things we're not sure about, and green are definitely staying. Now remember, unless you've thrown it away, you can always bring something back. So if you make a mistake, what I would say on this first pass is, don't be a 5S Nazi, so to speak. Really listen to your employees and give them a sense of control. They should have a sense of control. They got to work in this environment. So, this is your first pass. Remember, in the spirit of continuous improvement, you will make several passes with time. So we want to continually improve it. So, listen to them and make your first pass, and you should have some good success with it if you use that benefits approach. Okay?